Why do we forget a name? Interest. A pretty girl. You remember, right? Her name? Good-looking guy. But if you want to get good at names and faces, this is a bias that you need to remove. Seen the face but not the name. What do I mean by this? An example would be, you're out at an event, you see an individual, and you go, oh my God, that guy looks so familiar, but I cannot remember his name. Now, as so-called memory experts here, what are we trying to say here when it comes to memorizing? What do we need? To turn each item into a visual image, and that includes his name. First step, pay attention. There's this guy on YouTube, he's got a memory channel, his name is Ron White, right? He's US memory champion. And I use his hack. Whenever he meets someone, he goes, I wonder what that person's name is, in his own mind. So he's doing the first two steps, pay attention, be interested. Right? It's a simple hack that he does. Repeat. Why do we repeat? Because sometimes we cannot encode the person's name while looking at that person, right? He says his name is Paul. I cannot go, Paul, give me a second. I'll try to remember your name. You look weird. So what we do is we repeat to store the name in our short-term memory. All right? Example, when someone says the name, immediately say it back. Hi, Sally, nice to meet you. Right? So Sally, what's your major? Okay, this is step number 4. This is where we use memory principles. So here's an example. 2 methods here, friend method and image story method. Friend method is very simple. You got a friend named Sally, you're meeting someone named Sally, what do? Link, you form an association between them. Friend can also be a celebrity that you use. You can use that as well. Image, what is image? Aaron, every Aaron is an arrow straight to the face, it doesn't matter. Right? So you see him 2 years from now, you see the arrow sticking out. Aaron, how are you? You good? Paul is a ball. Every Paul is ball. Every Karen is carrot. Right? You make your own if you want. Brian Brain, SIM card. Mr. SIM card always on his forehead. Mr. Chew is always chewing. Right? Harry. First step, pay attention. I wonder what that person's name is. Use that. Alright? Next, let's try to associate. When you associate, try to use something that sticks out, right? Facial feature. Again, names and faces, I'm not going to lie, takes a while, right? Takes a lot of practice because your visualization is on that individual's facial feature that you need to pick out. So what we can visualize is Harry. We have a friend method. A friend, like I said, can also be a celebrity. Any examples of celebrity named Harry? Harry Styles. Who else? Prince Harry. I'm going to use Harry as in someone's hair. Alright? So I'm going to visualize this person on his nose, super hairy. Alright? Just super hairy, his nose all filled with hair. Karen. Every Karen, I gave you an example, would be carrot. So maybe her nose made of carrot, she's eating a huge carrot, whatever that you want to do. Mr. Sim. Guys, what is Sim? Where am I going to put the SIM card? On his forehead? Good. Huge SIM card, exaggerate the size. When you see him 2 years from now, you just see the SIM card. You'll be like, Mr. Sim. Never tell them, by the way. Application exercise. Try to always incorporate the first syllabus, which is he or hi, right? Because that's going to give you a good pack word, right? So what you can do is he's saying hi to you with that OK sign sticking out. Some other examples would be hero. Sounds like a hero, like Superman, Spider-Man, right? Holding a huge key.